Hey Emma, good to see you. How's your morning going?
Hey, John. Pretty good, actually. I got my coffee and the sun is shining. How about you?
Oh man, same. I almost spilled my coffee on the way here though. Classic Monday, right?
Totally. Mondays are sneaky like that. So, what's new at work? Anything fun or stressful?
Hmm, actually, that's why I wanted to talk today. Lately, I've been thinking about how to say no at work. You know, when someone asks you to do extra stuff, but you're already super busy. I want to be polite and stay friendly, but sometimes it's hard. Do you ever have that problem?
Oh, yes, all the time. Last week, my coworker asked me to help with a big report right before the weekend. I really wanted to say no because I had plans with my family, but I didn't know how to say it nicely. I ended up saying yes, and then I was tired all weekend.
See, that's exactly it. We feel bad saying no, like we're being mean or not a team player. But saying yes to everything makes us stressed and not good at our real job. So today let's talk about how to politely say no and still be friendly.
Yes, please. Teach me, John. Start with the easy ones.
Okay, first thing, always start with something nice, like thank you or I appreciate it. It makes the no softer. For example, imagine your boss says, "Hey Emma, can you stay late tonight to finish this?"
Ugh, that happens. What do I say?
You can say, "Thanks for asking me, I appreciate it. But I can't stay late tonight because I have a family thing. Can we look at it tomorrow morning?" See, you say thank you first, then the no, then a reason, and maybe an alternative.
Hmm, that sounds nice. Not cold at all. Thanks for a second. Yeah, I like that. It shows I'm helpful, just not right now.
Exactly. Another one. When a coworker asks for help on something that's not your job, like, "Emma, can you make this PowerPoint? You're so good at design."
Oh, they always say that. You're so good at it. It's a trap.
Total trap. You can say, "Thanks, that's really nice of you to say, but I'm not the best at PowerPoint, and I'm already full of my own tasks. Maybe Sarah can help. She's great at that."
Ooh, good. Offering another person is smart. It feels like you're still helping, just not you doing it.
Yep. And if it's your boss giving you too much work, that's trickier. You don't want to sound like you're complaining.
Right. What do you say then?
Something like, "I understand this is important. Thank you for trusting me with it. Right now, I'm working on 3 big projects, so if I take this too, I might not finish everything well. Can we talk about which one is the top priority?"
Wow, that's professional but kind. It shows you're responsible, not like, no, I hate work.
Exactly, no drama, just honest. Let me tell you a story. Last month, my manager asked me to join a new committee. It sounded cool, but I was already staying late 3 days a week. I felt guilty, but I said, pauses, acts it out slowly. "I really appreciate you thinking of me for this. It sounds interesting. But honestly, my schedule is pretty full right now, and I want to make sure I do my main work well. Maybe in a few months when things slow down."
And what happened?
He was totally fine. He said, "No problem, John. Thanks for being honest." And he asked someone else. I felt so relieved. No bad feelings.
That's awesome. Makes me less scared to try it. Okay. What about when it's a friend at work? Like, they ask you to cover their shift or something personal.
Good one. You still want to keep the friendship, so, "Hey, I wish I could help, but I have something after work today. Sorry. Maybe next time."
Simple. I wish I could is nice. It shows you care.
Yeah. Or, that sounds important, but I can't right now. Let me know if there's another way I can support you. Like maybe listen or give advice instead.
True. Sometimes people just need to talk, not you are doing the work.
Zombie Emma. No one wants that. Saying no actually helps you be a better friend and coworker. Because when you say yes, it's because you really can. And you do it with energy.
You know, I used to say yes to everything because I was afraid people would think I'm not nice. But then I got burned out. I was grumpy, tired, not fun to be around. My husband even said, Emma, you're like a zombie.
One more tip. Practice in the mirror or with a friend. Say the phrases out loud. It feels weird at first, but it gets easier.
Exactly. It's like protecting your time so you can give your best.
See? You sound friendly already.
Good idea. I'll try that tonight. Thanks, but I can't.
But to wrap up, polite no formula. Thank you or appreciate plus clear no or I can't. Plus short reason plus maybe an alternative or maybe later.
Thanks, coach.
Totally. And people usually respect you more when you're honest.
And remember, it's okay to say no. It doesn't make you bad. It makes you smart about your time.
Anytime, Emma. Let's do coffee again soon, but only if we're not too busy.
Yeah, I feel better just talking about this. Thanks for the chat, John. This was helpful.
See you. Take care.
Deal. See you at work tomorrow. You too!